So the last few weeks we have been a little MIA. We've had a wild, it's just been a really crazy time in our personal life. I think that saying goes like when it rains, it pours. That has definitely been my life the last few weeks. We took our kids, my husband and I took our kids on our first family vacation. It was our first plane ride with our little munchkins, and we took them to Maui for a whole week. It was super fun. But while I was in Maui, my dad, who has been diagnosed over 3 years ago, he was diagnosed with stage 4 colon cancer. When I was in Maui, I got news that he only had about 2 weeks left. He was not responding to chemo treatment anymore. And so during our trip in Maui, I actually left early and came home to be with my dad in the hospital. Sorry, try not to cry. My dad did not have 2 weeks. It was actually only about 4 days left since when he passed. So I flew home early from Maui to spend time with him and my family. He was in the hospital when I got there, and it's just been super emotional and really hard the last few weeks. And then when he was in the hospital, I was able to spend some time with him. My mom was there like day and night with him, and I spent a lot of time with him, me, my family, my siblings, and then my husband and my kids flew home on Sunday. We were all able to talk with him. By Monday, he was declining super fast. The communication window was closing. The pain meds, he was starting to receive really heavy pain meds. They moved him into hospice on that Monday. And it's just been a really super painful and emotional time. And so by Monday, he lost his appetite. He was sleeping a lot pretty much the whole day. I was able to be up there full day with him and my mom. My dad's cousin came. My siblings were all, like, everybody was just in and out wanting to spend as much time with him. By Tuesday, he was not responsive anymore. There's been a lot of like miracles and like really sweet and tender mercies in between all of it. And then Wednesday, my husband and I had our 9-year anniversary, which didn't really feel like an anniversary because everything was just kind of so like heavy. And so that day I went to be with my dad at the hospital. I came home to do a little anniversary dinner with my husband. And then on September 28th at 8:40, on our anniversary, my dad ended up passing away. So it's just been a really wild time. I haven't posted anything this last month because, yeah, I've been obviously taking care of what matters most, which is my family. And yeah, so it's just been a really crazy time. And so we laid my dad to rest this last weekend. And so this week we are getting ready to move to our new home. I feel like it's kind of a fresh start since after everything that's kind of happened. It's also really crappy timing because I hate that I'm leaving my mom and my siblings during this really hard time. But maybe I know my mom will come and visit us and, give her something to do. And so anyways, we bought a really beautiful home in St. George. We're super excited. We've never lived in St. George before. We would only actually just go to visit in a little town outside of it. But my husband and I have always talked about having a home in St. George for when our kids are older and we can all go and vacation there. The weather's beautiful, there's lakes, there's so much to do, especially outdoors. So we are going on a new little adventure. I'm going to take you guys with us. And so this week we are just going to be spending the week packing up, and then the movers come towards the end of the week.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. Trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out.
Gotta wrap this up.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. holiday. I'm gonna let the past be filled with hope, and I will try to fix what has been broken. Take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves.
Okay, you guys ready? You guys have your shoes? Grab your blankies. It's gonna be a long car ride.
It's like the that's too
Yes.
Mom, it's not too far.
It's a little bit of a drive.
Yeah. We saw it on Indian Public Map. No, it is far.
It's a little bit of a drive. You guys ready to rock and roll? You who's excited?
Rock and roll!
Rock and roll! We're done.
I'm so tired. We gotta drive and then unload.
How do you feel, babe?
I'm excited to move, but I'm a little wiped out. I'm not gonna lie.
Tired.
Yeah, we just filled essentially 3 trucks worth of stuff, so I'm tired.
Well, we are officially moved out. Movers came, the house is empty. We're eating a quick bite before we make the big drive. We're tired. We're really, really tired, but we're excited. And our in-laws actually brought their motorhome, so our kids are actually gonna ride down in the motorhome and sleep, which I think is gonna be super helpful. And
How do you feel about it? Are you excited or what?
I am excited. I'm excited. I feel like we haven't really had a chance
To feel it.
to feel excited about it because of everything we've had going on, but we are excited. I think I'll feel excited once we're down there. You
We'll be
know,
down there in a few hours.
I know,
Ooh.
I know. Anyways, we're gonna lock up and we're gonna get out of here. Cleaners are gonna be coming to take care of this place, and the new people are moving in next week. So, off for more adventures.
Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way.
You guys, we made it. We just got into town. It was 4.5 hours, but we are here. I'm so excited. Stay tuned for my next video because I'm gonna show you guys the empty house tour, and I can't wait.